This is a piano tutorial for the John and Deborah song, Annie's Song, and this time we're going to do it as a piano accompanist. So the chords in the right hand, you don't have to play the melody in your right hand, and you use the root note of the chord down low as a bass note, the note the chord's named for. So I'll show you the chords here in the right hand. You start with this C chord, C, E, G. You fill up my sins. That's an F chord, C, F, and A. Senses. There's a G chord, B, D, and G. A minor, A, C, E. Like a night. There's another F chord there, A, C, F. Like a night in the forest. There's a C chord again, C, E, G. A minor, A, C, E. Like the mountains. There's another C chord, C, E, G. In spring, there's a F chord, C, F, A. Springtime, E minor, B, E, G. Time, D minor, A, D, F. Like a walk, there's a F chord, A, C, F. Walk in the rain, there's a G7, B, D, F, and G on the top. Like a storm in the desert, there's a F chord, C, F, A. Desert, G again, B, D, G. A minor, A, C, E. Like a sleepy, there's a F chord, A, C, F. Sleepy blue ocean, there's a C chord again, C, E, G. A minor, A, C, E. You fill, S, C chord again, C, E, G. Fill up my sins, F. Says E minor, D minor. Come fill, G7, me again, C, F, C. Come let me love, F, U, G, A minor. Let me, F, G, give my life to you, C, A minor. Let me drown, C, in your laugh, F, to E minor, D minor. Let me die, F, C, F, A. Let's die in your arms. There's a G7, B, D, F, and G. Let me lay down beside F, U, G, A minor. Let me always, F, C, F, A, always be with you, C, A minor. Come fill, C, up my, come let me love, F, U, E minor, D minor. Come love, G7, me again, C, F, C. Really pretty easy for the chords there. A lot of the ones I'm sure you learned when you first started. And the key is C. Then we just need to add the root note down low. So when I'm playing a C chord here, it's a C note here, or you can do it there, either one. You fill up my sins. There's an F chord and I'm playing F there. There's a G chord, I play a G. A minor, I got an A. So you add that note. So work on it, hands alone, and then when you put it together, this is what it sounds like. You fill up my senses like a night in the forest, like the mountains in springtime, like a walk in the rain, like a storm in the day. love me